Okay, so I got all the supplies that I need. I open the hood to begin. There's the oil filter, yes. Drain plug. Taking out the drain plug. That's where the oil comes out from. I might make a mess. Very messy. I made a few mistakes here, but I got it. There he goes. Cleaning out the drain plug. Taking out the oil filter. I could probably use a better tool. This is the only one I have. And it's coming out. Very slippery. How to use the rag. Oil filter is very hot. Cleaning out where the oil filter goes into with some brake cleaner. Now it's time to put the new one in. They told me to put oil on it to lubricate it before applying. And then tightening up the oil filter. Put back the drain plug so it won't come out again. And that's the spot to put in new fresh oil. Brand new. Nice and fresh. Dirty black oil. Way overdue. And that's it. Learn the new skill. Peace out.